Welcome back. A few people have asked, how do you wire wrap beads for charms that you can then attach to permanent jewelry? So today, that's what I'm going to do. I hope you enjoy this.
How you do this is first take this here, bend it back so that it's like this. Hold on to this. So that's like this. Turn it. Close it. Onto the top. Bend there. Just this. Further so that it's the other way. Trim and do this so that the cut is smooth.
I hope you found that useful. I wholesale all of those components to make various charms, as well as I have handmade a number of them in various birthstones available for sale in the event that you do not wish to make your own. I'm going to leave some information below, as well as a link to the micro welder that I use for all of my permanent bracelets.